In that wonderful world of make-believe, where deeds are always noble and wishes inevitably come true, everyone is entitled to his own good fairy. Of course, when there is a shortage, some must settle for an apprentice.
Alas, and a couple of alacks, I, Gadmouse, apprentice good fairy, have yet to produce one happy ending for that poor, miserable wretch named Sadcat, who lives but a stone's throw from here.
Odds bodkins, another blow from nowhere. Verily, the happy life is not for me.
I shall transport myself magically to Sadcat's house and see what canst be done.
Why, good fairy Gadmouse, what are you doing in there?
Stop talking to ash cans and get busy and scrub!
Yes, dear mean brother number one. Excuse me.
You're beginning to scrub me the wrong way.
Sorry, dear mean brother number two.
We'll be gone all day.
Make sure you keep busy.
Alas, I must remain but a busted bubble in the scrub pail of life, while my two dear mean brothers go to seek their fortune.
That's it, Sadcat, your troubles are over. You too shall seekest your fortune.
Seekest, but I wouldn't know where to lookest.
Ah, here we are. 100 successful ways to seek your fortune. Number 1, sell something people want. Beans.
Beans? But I don't know beans about beans.
Not just any beans, magic beans, each one guaranteed to grow into the tallest beanstalk.
Gee, then you climb it and see the giant and the golden eggs and the magic harp and all that jazz?
Now to remember the quick change formula. Presto, gesto, alakazam. Change into a magic brand. It worked!
And so, filled with eager determination, our two friends launched a big selling campaign.
Fellow magic bean lovers.
Lattimore, do my blurry eyes deceive me, or is that our dear brother?
You're right, Fenimore. Why, that's...
Each bean guaranteed to grow into a giant magic beanstalk that will... Hello, dear mean brothers. Bye.
Come back here, you ingrate! How dare you seek your fortune?
Yeah, you work for that. And as the mean brothers continued in hot pursuit, a strange thing happened. The magic beans rolled onto some soft earth and became planted. And soon...
Hey, these magic seeds work!
And indeed they did. But instead of growing upward as beanstalks should, they grew downward.
Downward? What couldst have I done wrong?
And as they burrowed deeper and deeper into the earth, they sent up rich supplies of...
Oil!
Oil. Oil. I've struck it rich.
Rich! You, brother!
Oh, brother dear, wait for us. And so Sadcat and Gadmouse watched with wonder as their fairy tale hamlet changed into a thriving boom town.
And I still have one magic bean left. I too shall build an oil well and live rich and happy ever after with my dear mean brothers.
Quick, plant the bean, dearest brother.
Pray do, brother dear, pray do.
world.